Today I want to talk about neck pain and how to relieve it. The first thing to do with neck pain is um, probably give it the biggest bang for your buck, and I believe that that's called LactiGo gel. It was used with athletes at first, but now it's given to all. It's available to the public, and I had right shoulder pain playing pickleball, and I relieved it immediately. If you have a chronic pain, it could take longer, but 75% of the people that put LactiGo on, it goes away pretty quickly within 45 minutes, but then you have to keep doing it if you want a steady flow of magnesium and carnosine in your body. Those That's what's in LactiGo, and when you do it, when you get that from food as well as you producing carnosine on your own, as well as magnesium from food, your body's getting a steady supply. Oftentimes, we're not digesting or assimilating the carnosine enough, including the magnesium, in order to make it useful for our bodies. So we put it transdermally over the areas of pain, and I will send a link on the bottom to show you how to apply it. But that's the biggest bang for your buck. Second thing is posture. So the thing about posture, if you're sitting too prolonged, it's a tendency to do is to start slouching. And as soon as you slouch, you're breaking the alignment of the spine that goes from an S this way in the lumbar, in the cervical spine. Sorry, this way in the cervical spine, this way in the thoracic spine, and this way in the lumbar spine. Those are natural S curves. As soon as you slouch, you break all those curves. The back and the neck becomes straight, and the thoracic spine becomes slumped. And that's creating a lot of pressure in your body. For example, if you are slumped, your neck goes forward like this, just 1 inch forward causes a double weight on your neck. So if your neck is 14 pounds, like the weight of a bowling ball, you're going to increase that to 28 pounds. Imagine putting 28 pounds of pressure all day long sitting. And sitting is one of the worst things you could do. So you want to get up. I like to drink water every hour. Make sure that it's purified reverse osmosis water, because that way you won't get any toxins. I'll put the Amazon link down below. I am an affiliate of Amazon, but I don't make hardly any money on that. But I just order what I think is best for my patients because I use it myself. So I'll send you the link that I use for reverse osmosis. That aside, that's a basic requirement for pain. So neck pain, drink LactiGo. Drink water, use LactiGo. And the third thing is posture. So we talked about the beginnings of posture, which is getting a proper S curve. So what I do with my chair is I make sure that it is at the right height. So I'm going to show you with my chair. So my chair has armrests. So you want to lift it up to where your arms can rest. And I put my keyboard on my lap, so that my arms are just rested like this. Okay, and then the next thing, I want to have the proper height on my chair. If it's too low, if the chair is too low, your knees are going to go up. When your knees go up like this, it causes you to slouch. So that's not good. So you want the knees at least parallel to the ground, meaning their thigh parallel to the ground, or your knee slightly lower than your thigh, so that it'll help to cause you to sit taller. Okay, because if you're sitting too, if you lift up the chair a little bit, it causes you to have your knee lower than your thigh, and that will cause you to arch your back. So that will cause you to have better posture. So those are the important things to help with neck pain. Now the other things that we do with functional medicine is is the neck pain coming from your gallbladder or liver. Sometimes it is, and it refers pain up to your neck. So that's when we do functional medicine testing. I will go ahead and, or you come in for a visit to check you where that neck pain is coming from. We do a lot of muscle testing here as well. I'll send all those links to you down below. God bless you. I'll see you on the next video.